creating wall decor using balls from the dollar store. For this project, I'll be using 6 of those silver balls that I'll take out and slightly spray paint them with this metallic finish. I will also use those toy blocks that I will also spray paint silver. I noticed that once I spray painted the inside of the balls, they had those little scratch inside of them. So to cover that up, I'll be using some mud podge as well as some silver glitter to cover the inside. I gave each of the balls a really nice coat of that mixture and allowed them to dry for 15 to 20 minutes. Once they were dry, I took those square mirrors that I also got from the Dollar Tree, the blocks and the balls. I'll go ahead and glue the blocks in each of the balls to give it some height, so I can next glue the mirror in the middle. I repeated that same step for all the 6 balls. Since I'll need a way to hang them on the wall, I'll use those paint towers. I'll create a hanging system at the back and allow that to dry. I then paint them with this gold acrylic paint. Once they were dry, I then took the bowls and I started gluing 3 bowls on each of the stick to create a set of 2 decor. To do that, I simply use some hot glue and a lot of it. I let that to dry for a few minutes, and later on my wall art was ready to use. And voila, just like that, I was able to use some dollar store bowls as well as mirrors to create a elegant yet inexpensive wall decor. I hope you guys were inspired to create your own very inexpensive yet elegant wall decor. If so, don't forget to give that video a big thumbs up. If you have not yet, subscribe to my channel, turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my next projects. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.